Hello my loves, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making baker's style cookies. They were so delicious and easy to make. Let me show you how I made them. Here are all the ingredients that we'll need. This will be for 2 chocolate chip cookies, 1 strawberry jelly, and 1 Oreo cookie. In a medium bowl, add your melted butter. Make sure it's cooled down to room temperature. Add your white and brown sugar and mix it well. Here's my secret step. Once the sugars are mixed, let's pop it into the freezer for like 3 minutes. Combine an egg yolk and vanilla extract. After mixing really well, we'll add flour, salt, and baking soda. If your dough is a little bit hard to work with, just pop it into the microwave for like 30 seconds and it will be all good. Shape your dough into little balls. I'm going to start with the strawberry jelly cookie. With my fingers, I'm going to make a little circle in the center. I will add a little bit of strawberry jelly in the center, and with a little bit more of dough, I'm going to cover it up. We'll fold the remaining dough with chocolate chips. Once again, shape your dough into little balls. For one of them, I'm going to add Oreo and the other ones will be regular chocolate chip cookies. Bake them at 350 degrees until golden. You have to give it a try. They were so delicious, especially the strawberry jelly one. It was just phenomenal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful day and see you next time.